Loading a muzzle-loading revolver was therefore a precise and time-consuming business. There were two available ways of speeding things up. The powder and bullet could be pre-packaged, or the firer could preload a spare cylinder if he had one. Changing cylinders took only a moment. Usually, however, it was a matter of pouring the powder into each chamber in turn, then a tight-fitting lubricated lead bullet was rammed into each chamber. Finally, the cylinder was rotated by hand so that a cap could be pressed onto each nipple. Even the legendary Colt used this system. A Navy Colt of 1857 was a lighter and more portable arm, well finished and not without appeal. Colt was so sure of his success that he even opened a factory in London and invited the public.